What's up, racers? Welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing this method blowing up all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited gold and cash in CSR2 using nothing but your phone. No PC, no sketchy software, no complicated setup, just straight to the point. Honestly, that sounded way too wild to be true, especially for a game as competitive as CSR2. So I decided to put it to the test myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'm breaking down everything, step by step, exactly what I did and whether the results actually live up to the hype. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. After that, I grabbed my phone and opened up the browser. I'm using Chrome here, but honestly, any mobile browser should do the job. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's linked to CSR2 Unlimited Gold and Cash. The page loaded up smoothly. No sketchy redirects, no spammy pop-ups, nothing like that. It actually looked clean and professional, which caught me off guard and made it feel way more legit than I expected. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked how much gold and cash I wanted to add to my CSR2 account. For this test, I went all in and selected the maximum amount just to really push it and see if it would actually work. After I confirmed, the screen showed a few progress bars running through different steps, syncing, processing, and finishing up. Everything was clearly labeled and smooth, so it was easy to follow what was happening. Before it wrapped up, there was a quick verification step. The site explains exactly what to do with simple instructions, so nothing felt confusing or complicated. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and jump straight to the results. To see if it actually worked, I launched CSR2 again and checked my gold and cash balance. And right away, the extra resources were already there. No game restart, no loading screens, no waiting around. The update hit instantly, straight in my garage, which honestly caught me off guard. I didn't expect it to be that fast or that clean. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.